We don't have much time on our hands normally, so I thought why not create this easy Diwali festival eyeshadow look for you. Let's go. To prime our eyelids, I'm using the Milani eyeshadow primer and applying this all over the lids. Going in with the Sigma Corded Rosa palette and dipping into the shade Apricot. Using the E35 brush from them, let's apply that on the lid. You want to apply this at the outer corner and into the crease too. With shade Summer Song and with the E25 brush, let's apply that the same way we did previously. And back in with our blending brush, let's blend those colors together. Now going in with the shade Barefoot, let's apply that to the outer V first. And then into the crease. Stop it midway into the crease and blend. Now with the Morphe A18 brush, going in with the shade Barefoot, let's apply that to the lower lash line. Don't be worried about blending at the moment. Do the same on the upper lash line. This is how your eyes should look. With the shade Campfire, let's apply that with a flat brush on the lid. You can also use a setting spray to get the brush a bit wet to get more shimmer shade. Your eye should look like this. Now with the Inglot AMC gel liner, let's create a wing liner. This is optional, but it just adds a bit more depth to the look. This is how your eye should look. Finally, let's go in with a gel eyeliner in black and line the lower lash line. Curl our lashes with the Lily Lash Lash Curler. And going in with the Maybelline Surreal Mascara, let's apply some mascara on the lashes. Obviously, you can add in lashes if you like. And here you have it guys, it's a quick eyeshadow look in just under 3 minutes. If you liked it, please hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you again. Bye!